I've never heard a business owner complain about having too many leads, and by the end of this video, I want you to have the same problem. See, I've been using Claude, Cowork, and Code to generate thousands of leads for me and my business, resulting in multiple six figures in revenue for my company. And I've been doing it in various different ways, but multiple different skills and methods. I'm going to show you the exact 3 systems I'm running every single day inside of Claude to generate me leads daily. One scrapes and builds outbound lists on autopilot. One doesn't look like a lead system at all. It's actually the system behind videos just like this, which has slowly become my best source of leads. And the third one, which almost no one sets up, because it's not about getting the leads, it's about keeping them warm so they buy over time. By the end of this video, you'll have all 3 mapped out well enough so you can build them for your own business. And you'll see exactly why I don't do lead generation the old way anymore or pay an expensive agency to do it for. The first Claude lead generation use case is going to be focused on outbound. This is the outbound scraper and the Dream 100 board. I'm going to explain what this means in a second. As much as I love social media, I think it's the best way to market online. The most profitable and long-term vision for you to have for your business is building a social media brand. Outbound is tried, it's proven, it works insanely well. You can make $1 million business with outbound alone. And this is exactly what we're running to get to those numbers. And Dream 100 comes from working with 100 of your best fit companies. We see that 10,000 random contacts, spraying out emails, sending 10,000 emails a day. Can it work? Absolutely. Is it working for people? Absolutely. Is it the best way to do it? Not in my opinion, because what is happening right now is people's inboxes, because of AI, and you could look this up, this is a real problem. Your Gmail right now is filled of emails every single day of just cold DMs, cold emails, people pitching you this, that, and the other. And this is only going to get worse because AI makes it easy for everyone to blast out messages. They'll just say stuff like, hey, this is our offer, or hey, I made a free video for you. Are you open to it? Will this work? Yeah, probably, but it's not the best way that we've seen going about it. We're going to focus on the 100 people handpicked, or Claude picked, I should say, that are really good fits. They're in the market for what we're offering. We can solve their pain. They have money to work with us. They'll pay us a lot of money. Like, these are the people we're going after. So quality over volume when it comes to our outbound strategy. Yours might be different. The principles are the same, but that is what we're going after. That is where Dream 100 stems from. And this is exactly how it runs. So the first thing that we do is we point it at a source. So we'll point this Claude scale I'm about to show you in a second here at a source, whether it's LinkedIn hiring, SEC form filing Ds. What this basically is the companies we're going after sometimes have to file for something online. So we could see that. We'll go to job boards, job postings. We'll basically look at where our ICP and our ideal clients are gathering, and we'll point our lead scraper towards that. Next, Claude will scrape and enrich the lead and then drop it into our outreach board here. So this is our entire outreach board, end to end, you can see here. And then also in the sales dashboard, we're tracking all of our numbers, our analytics, what's working, what's not, and Claude powers all of this. This is built in Airtable, and the beauty of it is when Airtable is connected to Claude, which is really easy to set up, you can just pipe in the numbers from Claude right into Airtable, so you don't even really have to board. You just talk back and forth with Claude, and the board will populate itself, which is really cool. By the way, if you want the starter kit to actually setting this up for yourself, I will leave everything for you completely free down below, so you go ahead and download this and follow along. All right, so I'm going to pop over to Claude here. It's going to be in a regular chat. You could also use Cowork, completely up to you here. I'm actually going to use Cowork for now. I'm going to go to my marketing folder for my company. By the way, if you want to connect Claude to your Airtable so you could actually set this up, you're just going to go to customize, you're going to go to connectors, you're going to search for Airtable, and you're going to connect it. It's really that simple. So you can see my Airtable is connected right here. If yours is not, you'll just hit search, or you'll hit add, browse connectors, and then you'll search for Airtable right here. And that's all you really need it to do. So you'll Airtable, boom, Airtable right here. You'll connect that and you're good to go. You could also build out a similar system using Notion. Either works as long as you're logging the leads somewhere, or a regular CRM like Go High Level, that works as well. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to navigate over to Claude. We have Claude chat right here. We have the Cowork. We're going to go to Claude Code here. And I'm going to run this custom still. So I'm going to do scrape leads. There you go. I'm going to run in the skill and then put in the URL of what I want to scrape. Now, we work with software companies for our agency. I'm just going to go to Y Combinator, sometimes hard site to actually scrape. So this shows the power of how the skill actually works. I'm going to go to their directory, and these are companies we want to work with. Our agency wants to work with companies that are making a lot of money. They raise money. There's proof of concept. Otherwise, it wouldn't be working with YC. So this is an example of a place I would go to scrape leads. Let's go to spring of 2026, sort of random, B2B. We want to work with B2B companies, and let's work with sales companies. Sure. So there's 2. Let's actually work with Operate. There we go. So these 8 companies, I want to work with these companies. I want to put them in our outbound system right here. I want to find their information. I want to reach out to them. All right. So I'm just going to copy this link. I'm going to bring it over to scrape leads, and I'm going to simply hit enter. Now, this is a custom skill that I did build. This custom skill will be for you to download down below in our community if you want to go ahead and check it out there. But what this is going to do is this this is going to run in the background. It's going to grab all the information. So think emails, web links, name. It's going to send it to our Dream 100 dashboard. That's what it's going to do. Now, this is step number one. There is a crucial step number two that's going to happen that actually makes this work. This is where Claude actually makes you the money. And this step number two that I'm going to cover here in a second. So step number one is grabbing the information, scraping the information. Step number two is like enriching. Step number three is creating a proposal to send out to this company. Instead of just a generic outreach message to 10,000 people, we're going to send a hyper-focused, customized, valuable introduction to that company. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. This is the power of Claude. Instead of me doing this manually or hiring someone to do this, Claude can do this. All right, so you can see it is scraping the URL I gave it. It's succeeded, which is great. It's looking at the Dream 100 CRM. So it's looking at this CRM right here with all of the leads. And the first thing that it does is it checks if these leads are already in here. So I don't want duplicate leads. So it says, okay, these 8 are new, genuinely new leads. Let me go ahead and create those records now. And it created the records for these companies, etc. All right, and you can see it stopped right here. It said, these are the notes. These are the fields I filled in the Airtable. If you want the company websites, LinkedIn, and founder names, I could run each YC profile page in directly. All right, so let's go ahead and just grab this one, Walter. I'm just gonna see how it categorized this, Walter. There we go. So this is the company that I just put in there. Again, Claude left us a note that this was scraped from Y Combinator, etc. And now what I could do is I'm gonna say, for Walter alone, please enrich data, just to show you exactly how it works. Now, again, we're enriching data, so we could do this last part, which is send out a custom audit to them. And Claude does this for us as well. All right, so you can see it working through here. It says it's looking at the YC page to find everything. They found the Twitter, so it's updating that right now. So it just added this Twitter. Again, I am not touching the Airtable. I'm not touching the outreach board. Everything is running through Claude. You can see it added some more notes since we last started here. So this is a brief overview of it, etc. The founders are Nicholas Keller, co-founder and CEO. This is his Twitter handle, ex-fine dining chef. So literally everything about this guy. Awesome co-founder and CTO, ex-quant trader, pretty crazy. And then this is their launch video. So let's see, let's go ahead and open this up. Again, Claude did all of this for us. There you go. They found this YouTube channel. 2 months ago, they posted a video, which is their launch video, and they haven't posted really anything since. So this is a company that we could actually potentially work for to help them with content marketing, which is what our agency does. So you sort of get the point here on what is possible with this. I found everything, and then it put it into the Dream 100 board for me. All right. And the last step of this, the most valuable step of this, is creating a custom proposal to send to them. Let me show you how this works. I'm gonna go back to the Claude chat and say, this is great. Seems like they have a YouTube channel. Please create a custom audit that I could send out as a part of our Dream 100 outreach strategy. And with this audit, we use something called Gamma. Gamma is like a presentation software that makes nice looking presentations that are more standard. It also gives me notification when someone opens the presentation, so I could track, okay, who's opening our messages, who's not. So this is gonna go ahead and create a custom audit for Walter, the company that we're reaching out to. Now we're gonna reach out to them with value. We're gonna give them so much upfront value that we most likely will get a response, or we'll have a higher chance of getting a response if we didn't send anything at all, or just sent what everyone else sends, which is, hey, just reaching out, wanted to connect, or just sending text, right? We want to send a valuable asset up front so people are wowed and they feel like they need to respond to us. That's when we get into a sales conversation, appointment setting, and we sort of close them in there. So that is how powerful this is. Let's see how this turns out. I'll show you what really makes this system powerful. And again, we're only on system 1 out of 3. The next 2 systems are equally, if not more powerful than this lead gen system we're covering right now with Claude. All right, so Claude said that this is done. It says this is Walter's custom audit done right here. What's in the audit, etc. So let me open this up right now. Sure, let's open it up in here. Claude allows you to do this now. Obviously, you could open this up in Chrome if you really wanted to. Actually, let's open it up in Chrome since it's going to give quicker time here. Open it up in my default browser. This is an audit. So one thing is it already auto-populated. So it gave me the YouTube channel and then it gave me this audit. So this audit is this audit right here. So now if you think about it, if I had an appointment setting team or if I have it at VA, everything is now populated by Claude. Where to outreach, who to contact. So these are the founders and the actual thing to send. So all I have to do now is just send it. And this could run on a schedule for me every single day. Like that's how powerful this is. And this is the audit that I send over. Again, leading with value. We don't want to reach out and say, hey, Walter, are you looking for this? This is our offer. We want to reach out and say, hey, we put the time to give you an entire audit of your company, your YouTube strategy, everything. Here's what you could do to make it better. So we're leading with so much value here. It links our social proof for me, which is pretty cool. And then it gives them a channel audit saying you only have 4 subs and 2 videos because you're not posting enough. And it's a bad look. So it's playing into the ego of like, you're a YC company, you need to have more social media videos, right? The launch video, so it gives an audit of their channel, their video, and then it gives them a completely free video. So we send out a completely free video to people and say, hey, if you record this and get it back to us, we'll just post it for you for free. So I'm giving so much value away up front that we're gonna get a higher response rate and a higher close rate because we're leading with value, not just another generic outreach message, all right? So that is the power, all done by Claude, scraped by Claude, enriched by Claude, created a personalized audit to send out via via Claude. And then if you really wanted to, Claude can send out the outreach for you and manage that. I don't do that. I keep that manual for now. I like to control that, but that is what is possible with just this first system alone, which is the outbound and Dream 100 system using Claude, Airtable, and some of our custom skills. All right, so first we have outbound, and now we have inbound. We've built a multiple six-figure company from purely inbound alone. We've done the same for a bunch of our other clients. We've done over $1 million through just inbound, which is social media marketing, content marketing, whatever you want to call it. This is how you can use Claude to do just that. So essentially, this entire video you're watching right now was aided with Claude. From the topic, the hook, the script, the presentation that you're watching right now. Some of the editing in this video was also done by Claude. The thumbnail was done by Claude. And this video will bring us leads, if not now, in the future. It's a great thing about YouTube. It's a great thing about content. It can live forever if you have the right approach, which we do. All right, so inbound lead generation, here are a few skills that have helped us accomplish this. And the beauty of this is everyone has a pain point of Shaz. It takes too long to film. YouTube videos take so much effort. I need to hire an editor and a team to film me walking around and edit my stuff. Well, yeah, sort of, but not anymore. All right, 1 hour of filming, I could get on all of the platforms because this video will turn into shorts and it turn into a newsletter and turn into a LinkedIn post. And this video alone, all I have to do is film. Claude does a lot of the other work for me. It doesn't replace my creative process, but it enables me to be creative quicker and execute quicker, which enables me to post more, making me more views, more money, more leads. You get the point here. So the efficiency on this is insane. And just to show you, this video you're watching right now, this is the script of this video. Claude Cone just changed lead generation forever. This is my G100 board. So this is the hook that you read, and these are the body points that we are going to cover in this video. This is the presentation. So this HTML turns into this presentation, again, done by Claude. The titles, the thumbnail brief, the lead magnets I'm going to put down below were all aided Claude. Now I put in my own initial thoughts and value and expertise into this. Claude just helped me execute it on it faster. So I could get out double the content or double the chances. I get a lead, get a sale, and I make money from my effort on these videos. So that is how content inbound is amplified with Claude. It's not necessarily that it knows more than you, because it probably doesn't in your domain. It could enable you to execute faster. All right. And you get into this flywheel that everyone really needs to understand when it comes to content creation, the flywheel of feedback or growth, whatever you want to call it, feedback/growth. It's super important to understand this. This says growth. Okay. You post, you get data, fix what's wrong, and then you post again. So I post, I get 100 views. Then I look at that. Okay. My CTR, terrible. My AVD, average viewer duration, is terrible. This next post, let me focus on the CTR. Let me focus on the AVD, and let me post again. All right. Now this next video got 150 views. Okay. This is a little bit better. This is still bad. Now let me only focus on AVD for this third video. And you post again. So when you get into this flywheel of you post, you find what's working or what's not working, fix what's broken, and then you post again, that is the flywheel you need to be in. And Claude enables you to do this because you could just post more. The more you post, the more data you get, the more you can fix, the more you can post. All right. That is the flywheel of growth. You will figure it out when it comes to content and your strategy and your views and your leads and all those things. It's inevitable. A lot of people just don't get to the threshold of posting enough to even figure out what works for them, their business, and their audience. By the way, if you want a completely free social media strategy with me, down below, one-on-one call, would be happy to hop on it. It's completely free for now while you're seeing this. So if you want to grow your business through social media and organic content in 2026 and beyond, make sure to grab a 15-minute chat with me down below. It'll be the first link in the description. And one thing I want to emphasize is that one video is not going to build a pipeline. That's not going to work. The system is built so you could ship multiple videos a week. That is where the compounding on content comes. You post 2 videos a week. From now until the end of 2026, you will make $10,000 to $50,000 from your channel. I guarantee you. If you're selling something high ticket, you know who you're going after, you have the right strategy, you will make that amount of money. It's not going to come after one post, most likely. We've seen it before, but not likely. 2 posts a week, 2 posts a week, 2 posts a week, and you will see the compounding effect of content. And Claude enables you to post those 2 times a week and enables you to build that pipeline over time. And I have a dozen other videos on my channel covering the in-depth skills that I use behind the scenes on my social media, so make sure you check those out after this video. All right, the final system, which is insanely underrated, is the nurturing layer. All right, so you're getting leads through your outbound and through your content. So outbound, they are playing into getting leads. So people are seeing your stuff all the time. We need to now do this part, which is nurture them. So we're covering this with the first 2 skills. We need to nurture them because the only way they buy is if they're nurtured. So if you think about money is down here, the close is down here, sale is down here, they see you, they get nurtured by you, and then you close them, right? So we need the nurture layer, which is a newsletter and sometimes a community, but definitely the newsletter because most leads aren't ready to just buy immediately. You need to hit them over time with value. All right. Now we're going to do email marketing. We're collecting emails on the lead magnets. We're doing a bunch of stuff there. So I have a list of a few thousand people on my email list. All right. And I can send out these 4 types of emails: a pure value email saying, hey, this is what I learned, so we can take away; a video promo, so promoting my YouTube videos through my list; social proof saying, hey, we just helped one client go from 10K to 20K a month on social media. Here's their story. And then a hard close. So sometimes if I just want to offer something to my list, I'll say, hey, this is our offer, take it or leave it. I get to send it out to thousands of people that already know who I am and already opted in for my stuff. So think about how warm of an audience that is, nurturing them over time. And this is how Claude can help me do that automatically every single week. And the great thing here is, like, I'm not manually putting people in here. People auto-enrolled in this. So you downloaded the lead magnet willingly, you're on our list willingly. No one forced you to be in this list. We're not spamming people. When you download our stuff, you made that choice. So people are more warm and more receptive to opening up our list, right? That's the beauty of number 2, which is content. People like your content. They want to hear more. All right. Now this is how this final skill works. So I'm going to go back to a Claude Code session. You could also do this in Claude Cowork. I'm just going to use Claude Code for now. Use newsletter. There we go. And I'm going to say, let's write a newsletter promoting my last video. All right. I'm going to go ahead and find this YouTube video right now. So I posted this video yesterday, 5 underrated Claude skills to master AI design. I'm going to copy this link. I want to promote this to my list. I'm going to go back to the Claude chat and I'm going to paste this in. It's that simple. So Claude, I'm going to talk to kit.com, which is what I use for my emails. Claude's going to do all the research and all the heavy lifting, send it to kit.com. On kit.com, I schedule it out and boom, newsletter done for the week. This is exactly how it works. And the way we built this skill is that every single time I write something for me, it's looking at my brand voice, what's working for my competitors, and then what I've sent in the past. So we built this Claude skill with the intention of being very on brand and also working because we're looking at what our competitors are doing. So don't just build something generic, make sure it's to you, make sure it's ideal, it's primed to work by training it on a good data set, what's working for other people. By the way, this newsletter skill is also in our community if you want to grab that. All right, so there you have it. It's going to read my competitors, and then this is what it does. It gives me 3 subject lines, so I could choose 1, 2, or 3, and then it gives me the email body. So this is decent. I'm just reading through it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, for the sake of the video, say that I like 2 the best. So subject line 2. So what it's gonna do is gonna take subject line 2, it's gonna take the body, it's going to send it to kit.com. I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna review it, make some changes. Please make changes to AI text. Don't just post it. I don't recommend that. I'm gonna make the changes and then schedule it out. So this took me maybe 5 minutes of total work for something that can make me money, nurtures my audience over time, and can sign me high ticket deals, 5, 10, 15K clients just waiting to hear the right message and then booked in with us, even if they opted in for our stuff a year ago. So it's posting it to kit.com right now as a draft. It's going to give me a link, and then I'm going to click on it, and you'll see exactly how easy this actually is. All right, there you go. So I'm going to click on this right now, and I'm actually going to open it up in the browser, open in Vault browser. So now I'm in my kit.com. The 5 Claude skills I use on every client project. Also a little hack here. This is an HTML right now, so just hit this button, and then boom, you can edit it. You can do whatever you want. It has the first personalized name in there because it understands kit.com syntax and email newsletters, which is great. The 5 Claude skills I use to avoid AI slop. It's a better title. So you can spot AI design from a mile away. Same layout, same font, same generic. It's a setup problem, not a Claude problem. Built over 18 months. There we go. And then it hyperlinks this YouTube video. So if I go like this and I hit this, it will actually hyperlink out this YouTube video for me. There's the video. All right, so I hyperlinked it for me. So that's awesome. Now I hit continue. I can schedule this out, send it out to the 3,000, 4,000 people I have on my email list. That's easy. That is the 3rd system, nurturing people over time with very little effort using Claude. So I encourage you to take these and please use them. The Dream 100 outreach system, the inbound content system with Claude, and then the nurturing over time system with Claude. If you want to have a chat about growing your business using AI marketing and specifically social media, you can book in a call with me down below. All of these actual templates are free, and paid versions of the templates are down below as well. If you want to go ahead and check those out. If you learned something, please drop me a like and a subscribe so more of these videos fall on your feed. Enjoy the rest of your day. Use these and comment down below what worked or didn't work for you, and I'll make sure to address it in the future videos. And I will see you in those future videos right here. Talk to you soon.